It is Wellness Wednesday, and in this sponsored segment this morning, we welcome to Good Morning Mid-Michigan Dr. Kevin Johnston. He's a family medicine provider at Memorial Healthcare, here to talk about the importance of routine health screenings and seasonal immunizations. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Yeah, thanks for coming in. We'll start with this. Why is it so important just to have that baseline and have your routine health screenings? Fill us in.
Yeah, so routine screenings allow us to detect disease before someone even knows there's a problem. The reason that's so important is many diseases don't have any symptoms until they've progressed and gotten more severe. So if somebody waits until they're feeling really sick to get any screening, sometimes it can be too late. Maybe they've had a lot of organ damage. So if someone's feeling healthy, that's actually when they should establish with primary care so they can figure out what diseases they should be tested for, and so they can come up with a plan to prevent disease and stay healthy.
Sure. Well, and even if you are healthy at the moment, it's still important to see your doctor, right? Like I mentioned there, kind of get a baseline for someone, right?
Yeah, that's absolutely true, because as I was saying, a lot of these diseases don't have any symptoms when they are in their early stages.
Well, let's expand on that then. And what are some of the most common health screenings that you'll typically perform?
Yeah, so we're able to screen for a lot of different cancers, including cervical cancer, breast cancer, colon cancer, and lung cancer, to name a few. We can also screen for many chronic diseases such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. And those diseases can later cause heart disease, kidney disease, if they're not caught early. But the important thing to know about all of that is that which test someone should get is going to depend on their age, gender, their family history, their personal health history, and a primary care provider could actually help them figure out what they should be tested for and how to prevent getting those diseases.
Okay, and so like you said, some health conditions connected to others and can get worse, so important to tackle that early. Now let's talk about the importance of getting your seasonal immunizations. What's your take on this, doctor?
Yeah, so seasonal immunizations are the best way that we can be protected from the respiratory infections that spread most commonly in the fall and winter. And so that can help someone stay healthy, feel well as for particularly those who are most vulnerable, it can actually be life-saving.
Well, and highlight some of those seasonal immunizations people should be getting.
Yeah, so the two main ones that we think about are the influenza vaccine and the COVID-19 vaccine. Those are actually recommended for everyone 6 months and older to get every single year. And the reason for that is because they are updated every year because the viruses are constantly changing.
Very good information to keep in mind. The bottom line, it's just important to establish a relationship with your doctor, right?
I think that's absolutely right.
All right, you'll be in good hands there, and we appreciate you coming in this morning, Dr. Kevin Johnston. There's more information on your screen for Memorial Healthcare of Owosso. There's the website, a number to call, and we really appreciate your time and expertise.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.